friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making honey butter fried chicken. For this easy recipe, we need chopped chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. We also need an egg and flour for dipping the chicken before frying. We need oil for frying. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, or any kind of oil, or coconut oil. And we use honey and butter for the sauce at the end. So first I'm going to add some oil to the frying pan. So just use enough to coat the bottom of the pan. And I'll turn the heat on high. And while the pan is preheating, I'm going to crack the egg in a bowl. And whisk this egg. And I'll put some flour on a plate for dipping the chicken. So that's half a cup of flour, half a cup. And now I'm going to dip chicken in egg, then flour, and then put it on the frying pan. Just put on the chicken, and now the rest. So mix it all with the egg. And now I'll take a few pieces at a time and coat it with flour, and then move to the frying pan. So now all the chicken is prepared on the frying pan. So the oil, it's starting to heat, but it's really not fully heated. So once it's fully heated and it's really sizzling, that's when we reduce the heat to medium high and just cook the chicken, turning it every minute or so until it's fully cooked and golden brown on the outside. So now it's sizzling and we reduce the heat to medium high. I'm going to mix it. and continue cooking, mixing every minute until they're completely cooked through. So this chicken has been frying for about 8 minutes and it's ready. And just to make sure it's ready, just you can use a sensitive thermometer. When you put it inside a piece, just should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can just take a piece and cut it in half and make sure it's not pink in the center and fully cooked through. So the time, how long it cooks really depends on the size of the pieces and your pan. So for me, it was about 8 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to take the chicken off the frying pan and make the honey butter sauce. And to make the honey butter sauce, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. So the heat I'll put on medium-high. And once the butter melts, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So just wait for it to melt and we'll continue. So now butter is melted and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And now mix it together. There's honey and butter. And add the chicken back. And coat it with a honey butter sauce. Looks so good. And the honey butter chicken is ready. And the last thing, I almost forgot, but salt and pepper, just add it to taste. So I'll sprinkle it with salt and black pepper. And toss. And now it's 100% ready. So let me turn off the heat. And let's take it off the pan. Look how good it looks. I'm really looking forward to trying it. Now let's take it, put it on a plate. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying this honey butter chicken. Let's try it. It's so delicious with crispy outside, tender on the inside, with a delicious honey butter sauce. This is a great combination. You're going to love this chicken, and it's so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!